Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is not a sponsored video, but I did want to do an unboxing for you. I'm gonna do my little dancing dance. I was gonna take this out, but I'm just gonna let y'all see the raw and uncut. But yeah, so this is just a quick unboxing and a lot of background noise and a lot going on. So had no other choice really to get this video out this way is to record and let you guys see what I got. So the first thing I ordered from TEMU was like a door hanger. I liked it and I saw it before I started checking out. I thought it was interesting because it was only $5, and I know something like this would normally be easily $40 or $50 even if I had to pay somebody to make it, and it's really good quality. I'm just adjusting the bows, I can't help it. It's supposed to be like kind of offset. I'm not going to put it on my door now because I have enough stuff. I might raffle it off, I might save it for when we move, I don't know. But I am making some adjustments just to kind of fluff out the bow. Y'all know how I do, so this is how it looks. And as you can see, it'll hang, but hello will be kind of slanted. And the reason I keep looking at my watch is because I have you guys set up to record on the opposite side of my phone, so I'm not checking the time like I ain't got no sense. I'm just making sure the video is showing right. So this right here, I put a picture on the screen to show you guys what I ordered. It's the pampas grass, and I hope to God it's enough. It should be once I fluff it out. I'm probably gonna have to hit it with some hairspray because when I took it out the pack it was doing a lot of shedding. So I'm going to use a couple of these to make some centerpieces for a graduation party that I have coming up later in the month. You guys will see everything, and I'll try to put these centerpieces together on camera to show you guys pretty much the process of how I'm going to make them, how I do them. It'll be similar to how I did the lavender flower centerpieces, so y'all stay tuned for that video. It will be probably out soon. I like that it has a mixture of different pieces of pampas grass and just kind of like some fillers. Pampas grass does expand a little bit, or it does fluff out a little bit, so hopefully this will fluff out a little bit more. You can see it fluffing out of my hand already, and then just checking to make sure y'all can see. And then I have those other small pieces that I can just kind of stick in. So I really like the quality of this. This came from TEMU, and if I'm not mistaken, I think I paid like $5.99 for each box. That is a really, really, really good deal. Look how it's shedding. That's what I'm talking about. So if you don't mind the shedding, you don't need the hairspray. If you do mind the shedding, a little bit of hairspray will keep it from doing that. So show you guys how all the other boxes look for this order. This is how it came. I keep looking at my watch. It don't look good, but yeah. So these are the other 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I ordered 10 total, and I'm gonna do 4 centerpieces. So it should be enough. If it's not, I have another idea to go get some dry floral from from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, that's just me counting to see what I got. So now right here, these are supposed to be like the dishes you put under like a flower pot to catch the overflow water, and I'm supposed to be using these for the actual centerpieces. I actually have some of the tall square centerpieces coming, and I measured those at 9.5 inches. So I ordered some 10-inch dishes. I hope they work out. We'll see. And then here is the tablecloths I'm using. I'm using the yellow. I got enough yellow tablecloths. I don't know why I ordered them. I think I ordered them because I needed some 90s by 156. Just some clear plates. I'm going to use those because at the end of this video you'll see why I want the charges to show. Not the charges, but you'll see. This right here is my go-to when I need like a burlap feel. I use these for runners and I just cut them to the length I need. Look at how thick that roll is. I'll normally order at least 2. That should be plenty to cover 4 tables. Those are 8-foot tables that I'm covering to give it like that boho burlap feel. These balloons I used at the sunflower baby shower. I'll insert a picture here so you can see what that garland will look like. I'm familiar with them and they're double stuffed. Some of them also. I know this garland is going to turn out nice and have the colors I need. Now these right here are new. I've never used utensils or silverware like this, and I actually splurged on them because I think they add a nice touch. If you look close, and I'll show you in just a minute, you see that wood grain? The camera does not do it justice. I really should have pulled it out of the pack, but I don't want to be touching all on folks' silverware. It has a wood grain handle, and it still keeps my gold accent in it, and I love that. That's going to really add a nice touch. This right here is a velvet 90 by 156. Like, I forgot what color I ordered. Like a tan tablecloth. Nothing special about it. Like I said, in previous videos, I'm starting to like the velvet a lot because it's wrinkle resistant and it's a lush, like it makes the events look lush to me. So this is what I was talking about. This is why I ordered the clip plates. Love these. These are going to be the placemats. I won't be using charges. I'll be actually using these as my placemats. I ordered 3 sets of these. They came in sets of 14. I think they were reasonably priced. So I'll be using these, and that's where my other stuff comes into play. So that's all I really have for this unboxing, doing a voiceover. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you click the subscribe button, click the notification bell. Again, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys stopping by my channel. See y'all in the next video.